So hey guys, how are you doing? This is going to be the incline press up tutorial. Okay, I'm going to use a bench. You can basically elevate the height of this as much as you want, and I'll show you another version in a minute. But ultimately, it's working your chest and it's an incline press up. So for me, what I'm going to do is move this a little bit, and I'm going to come up on top of the bench. Right. So when you come into the top of the bench, what you want to do is you want to be keeping up on your tiptoes like I am now, and keeping your bum up just a little bit off the off the floor, right? So you're not sagging too much, you're not too high, you're about in the middle. And all you're going to do is you're going to take your chest to the bench, okay? So your chest comes down to the bench there. It isn't head banging the bench that way. And all you're going to do is bring your chest down, hold it, and push back out. Down and push back out. So from this way, from the side, show it that way. There we go, that's better. So from the side, so my bum is up a little bit, my shoulders are over the wrists. I come down, I come back up. Like I said, it isn't banging your head against the bench. Up this way, down, and back up. So if that's a bit too low for you, I'll take you over to another exercise machine and show you a different variation. So I've come over to this Smith machine here, okay, and all it is, it's a way to elevate yourself from the floor. So if you're doing a press up on the floor, it's obviously the hardest, and if you increase the range up, it's going to become a little bit easier. So for this one here, obviously I'm just up nice and high, and it's the same thing, your chest comes to the bar, okay, very simple exercise, very effective chest exercise. And that's literally how you do this incline press up, right? So there's one more version I'm going to show you, which is on the floor, and it's a kneeling press up. Now the kneeling press up is a little bit harder than the bench one. It's a little bit harder than this one as well, but I'm going to show you anyway, and it gives you all of the options that you can do. So with this version, okay, you obviously you're not doing a full press up. You've got no access to any benches or anything incline. So what you're going to do, you're going to come into a full press up, and you're going to pop your knees on the floor. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to come down. Okay, it gives you the same sort of position as an incline, but you're just doing it on the floor, and you're using your knees to take a lot of the weight. So from this, I want your back nice and straight. So let's go from this position to this position, and again, you're bringing your chest to the floor. And that's going to be your kneeling press up position.